to it normally, the homogenizer will stabilize itself. But because we're using a very small vessel just to keep the bushing wet on the homogenizer heading to test, it will follow around. It will follow around the vortex of the vessel. It has a brand new rotor and stator, adjustable deflector plate. All new bearings, all mechanical components. And whenever you test them, you want to make sure you do that in some type of fluid, which tends to lubricate let me just wrote that up. Jimmy, we'll look at the head here. And you know what? I'm going to just lift it out of the water, Jim, while you're doing that. And you'll see we've added a new rotor and stator in there, new bushing. The machine is virtually a new machine. The Hill Mixer Company is no longer manufacturing, but they still sell the parts. And they have a good ample supply, probably lasts for the next 20 years. We have lots of homogenizing mixers in our stock like this, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us.